morning, you beautiful people. So I asked my wife to quickly go take care of the office for us while I try to make progress on the farm. So this morning I've got people coming in for Wally's sunroom. Then we're also getting closer to Brendo the cow's time. I spoke to the owner again this morning. He's still happy with us paying her off slowly, but we really need to get this enclosure, maybe add some more wires, especially if there's a baby coming, a baby cow coming or a baby calf coming. This is actually now a very good living hedge over here of the wait-a-bit trees, but fix the hedge up, the fence up a little bit, so if there's a calf coming they like to push their heads through things and just walk through things. So cows are not as easy as horses to maintain, and so that will be my two main focuses for today. Make as much progress on Wally's sunroom and get ready for Brendo the cow.